Bananas, one of the most popular fruits in the world. Bananas are a good source of potassium, vitamin C, and fiber. They're also a good source of energy, making them a great choice for breakfast or a snack. Health benefits. Here are some of the health benefits of eating bananas. Potassium. Bananas are a good source of potassium, which is an important mineral for heart health. Potassium helps to regulate blood pressure and heart rhythm. Vitamin C. Bananas are a good source of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps to protect the body against damage from free radicals. Fiber. Bananas are a good source of fiber, which is important for digestive health. Fiber helps to keep the digestive system running smoothly and can help to prevent constipation. Energy. Bananas are a good source of energy, making them a great choice for breakfast or a snack. They're also a good choice for athletes and people who are active. Dishes that can be prepared with bananas. There are many different dishes that can be prepared with bananas. Here are a few ideas. Banana bread. Banana bread is a classic dessert that is easy to make. Simply mix together some mashed bananas, flour, sugar, eggs, and baking soda. Pour the batter into a greased loaf pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. Pancakes. Bananas can also be used to make pancakes. Simply add some mashed bananas to your pancake batter and cook as usual. Smoothies. Bananas are a great addition to smoothies. Simply blend together some bananas, milk, yogurt, and your favorite fruits and vegetables. Ice cream. Bananas can also be used to make ice cream. Simply freeze some bananas and then blend them together with your favorite ingredients.